Go to the NEATmet website www.neatmet.com. Click on Register Now button. Please allow to access your location. Please enter your first name. Enter your last name. Enter your email address. Enter your mobile number. Enter your Aadhaar number. Enter your date of birth. Please attach your photograph. Please attach your signature. Type the name of your institute. Please select your qualification. Select your passing year. Please enter your skill if any. Please enter your experience in years. Please choose your first preference of exam city. Please choose your second preference of exam city. Please select your paper from the list. Press Register Now button. Press Checkout button to proceed. Please put your billing details. Please provide your email ID, where OTP will be sent. Email verification code has been sent your email. Please check your inbox and copy the code. Please type or paste the code and verify. Please check the box and make payment. Various payment methods are available. Please choose your preferred option. Payment is successful and registration process complete. Please check your email. NEATmet account has been created. Successful payment confirmation. NEATmet order confirmation. NEATmet registration confirmation.